Today I will show you how to create a contact group in Gmail so you can send emails to multiple people in seconds without typing every address one by one. This is perfect for work teams, family, clients, or anyone you email often and want to save time. First, open Gmail on your computer because contact groups are easier to manage from the desktop version. Now look at the top right corner and click on the Google Apps icon with the 9 dots, then click on Contacts to open Google Contacts in a new tab. On the left side, click on Create Label, give your label a clear name like Work Team, Clients, or Family, then click Save. Congratulations, you have created your contact group, but right now it's empty. To add people, click on Contacts from the left menu, then select the contacts you want by clicking the checkbox next to each name. If the person is not saved yet, you can create a new contact first and then add them to the group. After selecting your contacts, click the label icon at the top, choose the label you created, then click Apply. Your selected contacts are now added to the group, and you can repeat this process anytime to add or remove people from the group. Now let's use the contact group in Gmail to send an email. Go back to Gmail and click Compose. In the text field, start typing the name of your contact group, then click it when Gmail suggests it to add all contacts instantly. Write your email as usual, add a subject, and send it to everyone in the group at once. This simple feature can save you a lot of time, keep your emails organized, and make your emailing much faster. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.